Welcome to this online workshop for human design, and I want to share human design with you over 3 classes. Each class or each module is 2 hours long, and the classes are live streamed, and you'll find the classes in videos below this one. Each class is a live stream with a group of people learning more about human design, with me sharing the wisdom and the knowledge that I've gained from my teachers and my experience. And the reason I'm doing this quick intro is because the footage of the classes is raw footage. I'm not editing it, I'm not taking out any of the warts, I'm not taking out any of the ugly bits. I'm leaving it all. It's all there for you. This is my very first class delivered online as a person without vision. Over the past 2 years, I have lost my vision. I see very little. I cannot see where you are. I can't see the camera. I just know you're here in front of me, and I hope it's working. So in the classes, you'll see it is raw footage. You can see all the errors and the problems and the challenges and the adventures that we had. And yet, despite all of those things, the content was amazing. The attendees had an amazing time, as did I. So it's my first time in over 2 years of actually teaching online. And my whole life has changed. So I'm so delighted to be able to deliver this content to you, despite my challenges, because this is magic. It's helped to save my life. I really did want to give up living without eyes. It's a very challenging experience. And through human design, I've been able to really refine what it is I'm here to do. And I couldn't give up, because what it is I'm here to do still needs doing. So I'm here to do it, and I want to help you understand what is it that you're here to do. What is it that life will not let you give up on? So find out for yourself what your human design is, how it will improve and impact your life. Knowing this is that your direction will be more clear, your decisions will be easier, and life will have more flow. So who doesn't want some of that? Enjoy the 3 classes below, and I look forward to connecting with you, hearing from you, getting some understanding of how you've been able to share the classes with us online, and what your opinions, what your comments are, and what impact this has had on you. So please let me know, and I look forward to your comments. And for now, enjoy the workshop.